Hello everyone, this is Hammer Online School and I'm Mr. Okikiamayo. I'm going to be taking you through some diagrams, mathematics diagrams. My brother had actually requested me to do a clip of the same so that it can not only help him but also help other pupils. And these are very, very important things, okay? So the first diagram, I have a book here. Don't mind my circle. Yeah, it says find the perimeter. Yeah, the perimeter of this figure. The diameter of the circle is 28 centimeters. What do we do, class? The formula of finding the perimeter of a circle is pi times diameter. Yes? So let us take 22/7 to be our pi today. Yeah, so our pi is going to be 22/7 times the diameter is what? 28. 7 goes there once, and then it goes there how many times? 4 times. Class 22 times 4 is 88. Yeah? 88 centimeters, okay? And when you are putting your answer down there, you have to write centimeters, because in your choices you are going to have a situation where choice A is 88, choice B is 88 centimeters, and others that are almost alike, okay? So as we continue these figures, you'll realize that things are getting more interesting, because the next figure is solving half of such a figure. Yeah. So now class, I said now we have half of this figure. Yes, half of the circle. Yeah, and we've also been told to find the perimeter of this figure. So class, I want you to follow me very keenly, okay? The first thing I need to do is mark this figure, okay? Let us say this is point A, and then this is point B, okay? And we have to realize that perimeter is the distance all round a figure, okay? Perimeter is the distance all round a figure. So we are going to be moving either from A, we move this way up to B, yes? Then from B, we will move up to A, okay? So here we have from point A to point B, yeah? From point A to point B, what we know the formula of getting the circumference of a circle. So what do we do? Because this is half of it, we say half times 22/7 times the diameter is 28, okay? Okay? So 2 will go there once, and it will go there 11 times. And 7 goes there once, it goes there how many times? 4 times. 11 times 4 is what? 44 centimeters. So class, from A to B, we have 44 centimeters. But our question is, what is the perimeter of this circle, of this semicircle? The distance all around the semicircle, okay? So from here to here, we've already gotten 44 centimeters, okay? Then from B back to A. B to A is how many centimeters? 28 centimeters. So we have to add it to whatever we had gotten. So we have 28 centimeters. Yeah? 8 plus 4, we have 12. So we write 2, we carry 1. 8, okay, now we have 4 plus 2, that is 6. Yeah? That is 6 plus the one we had added there, that is 7. Yeah? Sorry for that. That is 7. So that is 72 centimeters. Okay? So whatever we're going to be having is 72 centimeters. So if the question was, what is the perimeter of this half of a circle or a semicircle? We say we first move from here up to here, that is from point A up to B, then from point to B back to point A. I hope you understood it. So our answer remains to be 72 centimeters. Okay. Class, I said it's going to be getting more and more interesting. Yeah? Now we have quarter of that circle. Okay? And now we've been given 42 centimeters. Yes? 42 centimeters. And they say that this side equals this side. Okay? So what do they mean? It means if here is 42 centimeters, then here is also 42 centimeters. So we've also been asked to find the perimeter of this figure. Remember my first step. Please mark these edges. So let us start from here. Let us assume this guy is running from here, point A, yeah? In point A, he runs up to point B, yeah? Then from point B, he goes to point C, okay? He goes to point C. And then from here, he moves back to point A. Because the real definition of perimeter is the distance all round the figure, okay? So having marked our points, we say that from A to B, A to B, we have a quarter times 22 over 7 times 42. Okay? So here 2 goes there how many times? Twice. And 2 goes there how many times? 11 times. 2 will go here how many times? Once. And it goes there how many times? Twice and once. So class, 21 times 11. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1, 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. So we're going to have 1, 3, 2. 231. 231. Class, remember 231 centimeters is the distance from A to B. Yeah? And our perimeter, we have to find a way of moving from A to B, B to C, and C back to A. Okay? So whatever we have here, we've just moved from A to point B. So from point B to C, we have 42 centimeters. Let's do this. Let's assume so having realized that point A to B is 231 centimeters, then we move from B to C, yeah? B to C, 42 centimeters, and then from C back to A, C back to A, how many centimeters? 42 centimeters. So that is like saying 231 plus 84, yeah? 84, 5, 1, 315 centimeters. So that is the perimeter of our figure, okay? Because I said perimeter is the distance all around a given figure. Now class, it's going to get more interesting. Just wait for my next clip. Until next time, please remember to subscribe down there. Thank you. Bye.